can explain.
Maxwell!
I can explain. It's her fault. It's her fault.
Huh? Are you joking? Did I force myself on you? Just shut the hell up, Cassie. Or what? Who do you think you are? His babe? His wife? No, please tell me. You know what? Just shut up, okay? Oh, my friend is going mad. It seems you've forgotten the job you do. The job we do. You know what? You're going to regret this, Cassie. I assure you. Please, you're making empty threats. Get out. Hey! Where are you going to? You want to run after her? Send me my money, then you can chase your Cinderella.
50,000.
Are you joking? 100,000 naira now.
100,000 naira? Are you joking?
That's all.
Okay, fine.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. I forgot that today is your birthday. And I'm supposed to gift myself to you as a present. Right? Send me my money.
Okay, calm down.
Now!
Calm down. I'll send it, okay? I'll send it. Calm down. Just calm down.
Hey babe, you don't seem to like any of the designs so far.
Well, on the contrary, I love most of them. It's just that I'm having a hard time making a choice.
Let me try then.
There is no way I'm letting you select a wedding dress for me. That is going to be a disaster. Come on.
Seriously, that was deep.
Well, that is me being subtle.
Okay, you can have all the time you want.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Right?
Yeah, beautiful.
I'm coming. Oh, hi. Come on in. I'm sure you're here to see my mom. She's expecting someone. Come right this way, Mom.
Actually, I'm not here to see your mother. I am here to see you, Diana Akinwale.
I am not sure we have met before.
Of course we have not. But I am aware that you are having a relationship with my husband.
Your husband? Listen, ma'am, I'm sorry. I'm sure you must be confusing me with someone else. It's not possible.
No, I am not. I am actually talking about Bernard Njoko, the man that you are engaged to be married to. We have been married for 5 years and we have 2 kids together. Yeah. Let me show you something. This is our wedding picture. This is my first son. And this is my daughter. So you see, he's been lying to you all this time. I don't have issue with you because you are an innocent girl who is a victim of a deceitful man.
He never mentioned any of this to me.
I know. And that is why I am here, to plead with you to save my marriage. He's at the verge of divorcing me and abandoning the family for you.
That is so unfair.
That's exactly why I am here. Please, save my marriage. Marrying him means you're destroying my home. And I have come to plead with you. Please don't go ahead with the marriage. Please, I'm begging you, don't. That's what I said I should come and tell you. To have a lovely day.
Babe, seriously, this is far from what it looks like. Me telling you that I'm married was difficult. And I'm ready to divorce her. She took advantage of my desperation to get a job for me. You know, I would never marry a woman like that if the conditions were okay. I love you.
Bernard, you are just a lying, cheating bastard. Now you lose my number and I don't want to ever see you again. Leave. Leave my house!
Diane, what is it? Tell me, what is the problem? Why are you crying? I'm your mom. Tell me, is there a challenge? I can fix it. Tell me. What is it, my daughter? Your late father was right about that man. There's something about him. Thank God you never married him. It would have been a total disaster.
If I could just get my hands on that bastard, he would wish he had never met you.
And will that make her feel better?
At least it will make me feel better. And he will know not to mess with any other woman ever again.
Would you shut up that?
Oh, Mommy, that gender is dangerous. Very deceitful.
Would you shut up that your mouth and stop talking nonsense?
Mommy, the truth is bitter. That's why people don't like the taste of it.
And what is the truth? Your lifestyle? The way you carry yourself? Is that the truth? Is that the truth?
Mommy, don't make this about me. We are talking about Diana here. Or am I the one that is sitting down there moping about one cheating, lying bastard? Am I? No. Please, focus on my daughter.
Just bad news. Like bad news. Sorry, my darling. Sorry. It'll be okay. You'll find someone else, okay?
Mom, hey, hold on. Mom, what's going on, Mommy? What's wrong?
When I came this morning, did you see me with a bag?
Yes, you did. You came in with a bag and you took it to your room.
My room?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm finished.
Finished? How? What do you mean? What's going on?
I had 1 million in that bag and it's nowhere to be found!
What? How? Wait, Mom, how?
I don't know. Wait. Did your sister come?
Yes, she did a few minutes after you left.
And did you see her leave?
No, she was at home when I went to the supermarket.
She took the money.
Mommy,
She took it.
Mommy, listen.
Yes.
Mommy, listen, look. Cassandra can be many unspeakable things, but a thief? Mommy, come on, I don't think so. Come on.
If she didn't take it, then who? Me? Is it me? Then, are you the one that took the money?
No, I did not.
You did not. Then who did? When I came in this morning, the door was intact. There was nothing like someone breaking into it. So, and it's just the three of us. Then who took the money?
Can Cassandra be this insensitive? Mom.
That girl has finished me. She's a very wicked girl. She has finished me. That money is not mine. It belongs to Mrs. Okoye. Hey.
Mommy, how can you, how could you, why didn't you transfer it into her account? Why did you have to bring the cash home?
She had problem with her account. She begged me to go to the bank and bring the money. Keep it with me. Daddy, the money. She's going to make payments.
Mommy,
and now, there's no more payment.
Mommy,
Mommy, where would I get that money from?
Mommy, please.
Where can I get the money from?
Just figure it out, Mom.
Which figure? It will offend me.
Hey, Mercy. You need to calm your nerves. Calm your nerves. Look, everything will be fine. Okay?
I don't know why Cassandra decided to treat me this way and cause me so much pain, disgrace and shame.
Can we forget about her for now? Can we forget about her? Your health is more important. Look, your life is more important than all the money in the whole world. So please relax, okay?
Don't worry. I'm going to make sure I pay you to the last coin. Don't worry.
Can we not talk about this now? At least not for now. Let's not talk about it. We have enough time to deal with that later. Okay?
Please, my dear, can you go and make something for her to eat, okay?
Yes, I'll do that, ma'am. But ma, please, thank you so much for your understanding and support. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful.
It's okay. Go and get something for her
I
to
am
eat.
coming. Sorry.
Mercy. That's enough. That's enough. Can you be crying like a baby? Put yourself together.
She should be arrested, okay? She can't just take money that belongs to someone, that belongs to us. She get me, why is she not arrested? She should be arrested by now. She should be in jail until she returns the money, then she serves time for the crime she committed.
Son, calm down.
No, you don't calm down when someone steals from you. That's what makes people go broke in this country. They'll rob you blind. They'll take you for a fool. If you're a good person in this country, it doesn't work out. Okay? She stole from you. We need to get that money back.
We don't even have a proof, okay?
Oh yeah, everything you told me shows that she's the primary target. Mom, you know that she's the one that took this money. From everything you told me, even when you were saying it like you know it's her. So why are we doing this now? Why are we playing games?
We're only speculating. We are not detectives, remember?
Then we should get the police involved. That's what I'm saying. She should be arrested. She should be arrested. Get police involved. They would get the money and the truth out of her. As far as she brings the money though, if somebody steals from you, you don't shoot them. You call police and say, this person stole from me. It's even more convenient when you know that this person stole from you. We should call the police on her. Simple.
Kennedy, I am surprised at you. Did you just mention the police? As if we've forgotten the kind of police we have in this country. Look, every one of us will become a suspect, including me that owns the money. Mrs. Akiwale has promised to pay me back the money. All she needs is time. She's innocent.
How can she be innocent? No, I'm not talking about... It's obvious that her daughter is not innocent. Okay? Her daughter is... There's so many things I can say about that girl, but I won't say because you raised a gentleman and you're a lady and I don't want to talk about another woman. Not even a lady, another woman in front of you like that. Do you get me? But she's definitely not a lady. Definitely not.
But you have to respect respect my friend.
I'm not talking about her. I'm talking about her daughter. That you like this Miss Akinwale, don't you? And you trust her. I mean, you've known her for what, less than a year?
11 months, actually. But it's as if I've known her for life. She's a genuine friend and a selfless mother.
But I guess it takes one to know one. You're the cheerleader of the SMA group. Selfless Mothers Association.
You stop that.
I'm being honest.
Stop.
No, but mom, you see, when someone does you bad, you at least get justice. I'm not saying do bad back, but you don't turn the other cheek. It's not Old Testament again. No.
Hello? Yes, ma, I'm here. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, that's fine. Alright, ma.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. You're the lady my mom has been expecting, right?
Yes, and I've been out here for a while.
I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. I was in my room, my headphones on. So.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. Why don't you have a seat? Wait, you want to stay outside? Want your makeup to melt?
Thank you.
Of course, nah, it's cool. Small talk time. It can't be silence. It's
Okay.
too awkward.
Okay, cool.
Okay. What do we talk about? I hate small talk. What team do you support?
Arsenal. And you.
Why are you doing this to yourself? No, seriously, why?
Whoa.
Because every year we'll win. High expectation, high hopes. You people are the one that okay. I read this study online the other day about heart attacks.
Oh my gosh.
In the world. And it says that 99% of the heart attack patients that get treated in credible hospitals are Arsenal fans.
Listen,
so I'm saying this because I care about you.
Listen.
Don't support Arsenal.
Look,
Come to the winnings.
I support my Arsenal team all day, every day, as against your team, Manchester United.
You see the red now. Now they run this world.
You guys spend so much money all the time and you have nothing to show for it, total waste of resources.
You know your football. That one enter. Oh my God, it's like a boxer that's fighting and you don't see the stomach. You have to act like it's not painful, but it's painful. Because I grew up in the Silas Ferguson era. Do you get me? We used to win everything every year. When we didn't win, we are complaining. This player is not training well. This person is not. Do you get me? Every time. But the Glazers took over and it's just been. But at least we make money. They're businessmen. So it's a good business club. It's not a good football club.
Listen,
it's a great business club, actually.
No shift goal.
What do you mean?
This conversation is about how our individual teams are performing on the field. So let's focus on that and not on their finances.
It's part of it.
No, it's not.
It is. But listen, it's a football club. They have to make money to sign all these players for a lot of money that will come and play rubbish. You sign somebody for 80 million. The person can't defend. I don't understand. Me at this age with no training can defend better than most of the defenders that former managers used to buy. Oh.
Welcome, Ma.
How are you,
I'm
Diane?
fine, thank you.
How is your mom?
She's fine, thank you.
Omalisha one of Africa.
Kennedy Chukwebuka.
Welcome back, man.
My only son.
But we need to update your resume. Yes, it's not just only son.
Okay.
Only child.
Oh, that's true.
You understand?
My only child,
Thank
in whom I am well.
You have another child somewhere.
No.
I have a sister somewhere.
No.
Okay, I didn't know.
My only child.
No.
My 1 in a million son.
Thank you. You're hearing that, right? You're hearing that. You should have actually stayed, though.
Oh.
Yeah, I was butchering her choice of which club do you support? She has
Look at you. Arsenal.
It's a local club in London.
Oh my goodness. You wanted to continue on your bias, right?
I think you guys will have to continue your debate some other time.
This conversation is not over.
Let me see what you have there.
It was not her sister.
Son?
Hey, I'm Naija One of Africa.
How are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
Oh, good. You and football all the time.
No, I had to watch the highlights of this one. Man. Say how it worked magic, winning the match with Maguire starting in defense and captain. God forbid Batson. This is magic that we won this match.
I don't understand any of those things you're saying. No.
No. Ten Hag is CW. Ten Hag is the priest. He's the leader of this situation that's going well right now. Yes.
Okay.
We won with 10 men because of Ten Hag.
And Kennedy,
Yes, Mom.
why don't you want to get a job?
Mom, no. Let me watch this match in peace now, please. What do you know? I've done a lot of interviews. You've recommended me to people and I've gone. And I've even found some on my own and it didn't work out for years. I've done that already now.
I know, but you just have to keep trying.
No, I need to. Mom, you get rich from working for other people. You get wealthy from ownership, right? I need investors for my business idea. That's what I need. I need to focus on that. That's what I'm focusing on. I can't work for 9 to 5 and become rich enough to, retire you well. Do you get me?
Well, but I know nothing good comes easy. You should have just tried to push a little bit more.
It's ownership.
I think you have a message.
Huh? Thank you. This is great. This is awesome. This is dope. AD, what I just saw is amazing. It's really, really good. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Okay. Thank you so much. This is awesome.
What was that?
It's the branding for my things, the logo.
Oh.
It's better than I expected, honestly.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It is. And it's my favorite color, green.
I pray everything works out fine.
Amen.
And I hope this logo is not expensive.
No, it's not. It's actually for free. D did it for free. So.
D?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Diana. That's Mrs. Akinwale's daughter. The good one.
That reminds me. What's going on between you two?
Nothing is going on between us. Let me watch Maguire.
Hmm.
Nothing is going on between us. Which one's home? It's like, she just helped me with my business branding. That's it.
Is someone shy?
Shy what?
Talk about something.
Yeah. What kind of situation is this? Let me watch this match. I don't know it. She's helping me with my business. So, you didn't seem to enjoy the movie.
I don't really like superhero movies. I mean, Spider-Man can only happen in America. I mean, let him come to Ajegunle or Ikotu. Let's see how he's going to perform his stunts.
No, he'll use Uber now. But yeah, he can walk around like Victoria Island. There are a few skyscrapers, No, but he had a sweet relationship with Mary Jane, Yeah, it was romantic.
Sweet.
Wow. It's obvious that you've not learned from your past experience with Bernard, right? What has it been? 3 months? And you're already bringing a man home? Diana, let me use love swear for you.
Hello, hi. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't talking to you, mister. I don't have any business with you and I don't intend to. So please, for both our sakes, let's keep it that way.
Ken, I'm really sorry.
No, it's not.
Just go and then I'll call you later, okay?
Yeah, sure, of course. I'm looking forward to it.
That's it. She said you should leave. Leave.
Okay.
I don't want to see you near my sister again.
Wow.
Have I made myself clear?
HD 4K.
Was that your sister ranting out there?
Mommy,
What is it this time?
do not call that irrational being my sister.
The dog that will miss his path will not hear the whistle of the hunter.
Isn't it obvious who the dog is here?
What did you just say?
I did not stutter.
Stop, stop.
You heard me.
Stop. That was a wrong approach, Cassandra. There are better ways to correct your sister.
I didn't know he is Mrs. Okoye's son. Moreover, I thought he's one of those lying, cheating bastards that are trying to take advantage of Diana's innocence. Like, look at her. She's very naive.
Even if he is not Mrs. Okoye's son, I still maintain that you have no right to treat him that way.
I was trying to protect you. Like, I'm sorry, but you should be thanking me.
You have to apologize to your sister for the manner you spoke to her.
Okay.
Hello to you too. Come in, she's in the kitchen.
Okay.
Dee! You have a visitor. Sit down, she'll join you.
Oh, thank you. Hi, how you doing?
Hey, Kennedy.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, thank you.
So how did it go?
Like every other one before it, they gave me the same line. We'll get back to you, sir. Like, why they, like, I don't even understand why they're calling me sir. You're not going to give me the investment money I need. You're calling me sir. I don't have money. Give me money and call me sir. They all have that same line too. It's like they know they're going to say that line before I even start my presentation. You know? I don't know why they are wasting their time and my time to hear my presentation if they're not going to give me the money. It doesn't make sense.
I'm so sorry. But did it have anything to do with the presentation?
I don't know. I mean, we went over the presentation, right? Yeah. It's better than the last one. So I don't know. Maybe it's because it's me. You know, I always have bad luck. Maybe if someone else was saying the same words or wearing the same outfit, they would give it to the person. But because it's me, it's like, no, we'll get back to you, sir.
Listen, look, I understand how you feel, okay? But you have to keep trying. You know, getting an investor is not easy.
I know. And I totally understand that, right? It's not supposed to be easy. But this is past not being easy. It's like extremely difficult. It's like nobody wants to make money. There's a lot of money involved in this.
You can't give up. You don't stop when you're tired. You only stop when you are done. So you have to keep at it. Okay?
Thank you. You know, I needed to hear that. It's really getting frustrating. I won't even lie, but thanks. I think I have to go. You know, I just came back to see you if I get home.
I'll walk you out then.
Cassandra, see ya.
See ya.
Bye.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I need all the good wishes I can get, you know. All right. Bye.
I'll walk you out.
Okay, so you sounded very serious when you called. What's up?
Wait, was I serious?
Very, very serious.
Okay, listen. Cassandra raised some questions, which I find valid, and she came up with some ideas that I have to agree to. And she is willing to meet up with us.
That's your sister?
Yep.
And she's willing. Oh, she's not too busy. Like, not from like business meetings and stuff. Like, I'm surprised that she has time, you know, to meet up with us. Okay, listen. I don't want to be disrespectful because she's your sister and I don't know her, right? Cassandra having ideas that can make my business proposal more attractive has to be the joke of the century, not even the year. It's the joke of, like, she can have ideas to make herself more attractive to guys. Like, you know.
Listen, Kennedy, like you said, you don't know her.
Yeah, and she doesn't know about my business.
Look, Cassandra is one of the most intelligent person you will ever meet. Yes. She was a straight A student and she had a 4.0 GPA in maths and stats.
A's all across.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of lecturers were having fun.
Excuse me? What?
No, I mean it like they had fun teaching her. Do you get me? Because she got it fast. Like, she was smart. Like, I mean, no lecturer will sleep with a student and give the students a good grade now. That doesn't happen. Especially in this country. It's a very, first world country. Like, we don't have these problems. Yeah, no lecturer would do that. Is that a thing? Have you ever heard of it happening?
Kennedy?
Yes.
You know what? Granted, I hear you. Cassandra might be wild and crazy, but trust me.
Statements, wild and crazy.
Look, she is really, really smart. Trust me.
A few more commands.
She's really intelligent.
Mm-hmm.
And someone like Cassandra, she's supposed to be like a business guru by now if she, channels her energy in the right direction. She's smart.
So let's set it up. I want to hear her smart ideas, like these life-changing ideas. As a business guru, like legend, guru,
all right, great.
Genius. We throw these words around like it's nothing.
I'll make the call. Don't worry.
No, sure. Yeah.
Make the call.
I'm not worried at all.
Okay.
She's going to come and change my business life.
Okay. So let me formally introduce the both of you and to tell you the reason why we're here. So, Kennedy, the last time you came here, Cassandra heard us talking about how difficult it has been for you to get an investor. So she came up with some ideas.
Thank you. Thanks. That means a lot, And thank you for moving past how we first met. It was a bit awkward that day. But I'm open to doing anything that I can do we can do, to bring this project to life, because it's my entire life right now, honestly.
It's okay. We've all gone past that phase now, and I'm ready for business. So,
yes,
I would love to see your business model, if you don't mind.
No, that won't be an issue. I've become an expert in breaking down my business plan and model and everything, because I've gone so many presentations now. This is not really fair, honestly. Please help me. I mean, if not for nothing, my presentation is better than it used to be. So that's a plus.
I just wish you could be a bit more considerate.
You can't say that now. She's like, listen, fine-tuning all the stuff that she taught me. She knows a lot about business. She has a lot of business sense.
Yeah, she does. Only if she can use it for something more productive.
Everyone see how it's doing that now. Yeah?
I know, right? I pray you have a productive day.
I need it. I need all the good luck and prayers. Honestly, because this might be my last try. Because I'm giving up. Like, they're not encouraging me at all. All right. Thank you. You're encouraging me. So thank you. Bye. I can't believe these people, man. I cannot believe these people. They don't care. They don't have a heart. Like, after everything I put into building this thing to this level, all the work I put into this product, like, I put in blood, sweat, and tears. I'm being honest with you. I'm not trying to exaggerate. Like, I was bleeding when I was designing the cartons and all that stuff. Like, I literally put in this is my future.
Kennedy, this is
And they want to just steal it like that, say with the apple. I don't understand. Like just steal my idea, not even collaborate and make money off of it, which is what I'm offering.
Kennedy,
and they want to steal it. Like,
they do not
so what
care.
happens to me? They
don't care that you invested your blood, sweat, and tears into this project. They don't.
So if you weren't there, I would have just giving them my business like on a silver platter. I would have just given it up,
You see, that's what
That's
I'm
like-
saying. You have to be very observant. You have to know that most of the people there are not actual investors. They are there to steal your ideas, to rip you off. That's how they get their business ideas.
Wala, reapers everywhere. I don't understand. Man, this is very discouraging. What do I do? Like, how is this supposed to help like a young man trying to make it in this world, in this country, man? Let's keep it real, man. How is this supposed to help when the people that are your elders, the people that are supposed to open the door for you, the gatekeepers are trying to steal from you? Like, what hope do we have?
Kennedy, what next?
What next?
Yes.
What next? I don't even know what now or what past. I don't even know what. I don't know again what. I don't know, honestly. Like, it's just... I don't know, man.
You sound like you're giving up, Kennedy.
I don't know.
I don't like it. I don't like it because you said this was what you wanted to do.
This is what I want to do now.
So you give up just because of what? A few no's, a few...
It's not
Figure something out. Figure something out. You have to strategize.
Like multiple times every week I go for meetings. It's not a few, believe me. It's also a few. It's very discouraging. This country, I don't know. I can't figure out anything. I've tried for years. I'm sorry. Thank you. I know it's like a downer. Thank you for today. Thank you for taking time out of your day, and I'm sorry for wasting it.
You didn't waste my time, Kennedy.
You're a nice person.
Kennedy, stop thanking me. You need to just sit down and plan your next move. That's what you should do. Eh? The lines will fall in pleasant places.
I like your optimism.
Yeah.
I wish I could share in it.
Everything
I'm sorry, it's like a
Kennedy.
depressive...
Just be positive.
Yeah, I know.
Be positive.
I know I should be. I'm sorry. It's just this.
Cheer up.
Yeah.
Cheer
Oh,
up.
okay. You're leaving?
Yep, I have to go.
Okay, let me,
Don't worry. I'll see myself out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
If you want to be sad, take just 5 minutes. Then sit up and figure out what you're going to do next.
I'll try and do it. I'll brainstorm with myself. I'm trying to get it right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
On a second thought, I'll invest in your business.
How?
Okay, so here's the plan.
Wait, what? You invest in my business?
Yeah.
You have the money? How? Like, I didn't know.
Let's talk.
Okay.
Let's talk. So, 7 million, your capital. I don't have that. But I'm thinking we should start small.
Okay. How small are you thinking?
Well, I have 1 million in a fixed deposit account and 300,000 in another. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a 7 million naira business. That's 1.3. We
I
need like
know.
5.7. You know?
I know.
So you know it's not enough. That I won't be able to pay the distributors and the storage. You know?
Kennedy,
we have
I know.
merchants. We have the middlemen. We have to pay a lot of people.
So
We have to design the store. We
we
can use a
land.
kiosk. Is that your idea?
Kennedy, let me land.
Okay,
If
land.
this, what you've designed here, everything you've written here is what you say it is, trust me, this business will grow in no time.
It is what I say it is. Obviously, I spend a lot of time, like, experience
So
from
then you shouldn't be
rejection.
worried.
I've done this. I've vetted this. This is real. This is going to work. But we can't cut costs to accommodate 1.3
Trust
million.
me, I'll handle it. Trust
How?
me. Trust me.
It's
I'm
not
the
about
business
trust.
guru here.
You are the business guru.
Yeah.
You need to be that business
So
guru
trust me,
to
trust
cut away
me.
5.7 million that we need.
Okay.
Believe me, this is the leanest that can make the budget.
Let me work magic.
Okay, work
Let
magic.
me work magic.
Magic.
Okay.
David Blaine.
So I'm thinking.
Which kind of juju you carry? You go cost 5.7 million. You're thinking what? What are you
An
thinking?
app.
An app.
Yeah. We can call it Kennedy's Ethanol or Kenny's Liquor.
Wait.
Yeah?
Like cut away the middleman. They order from the app and we directly
They order from
deliver.
the app. We don't need a store. We don't need supermarkets. We deliver to their doorsteps, Kennedy. I'm telling you, you can convert the room over there to your warehouse, to your store, to your manufacturing. We have a lot we can do with just that 1.3 million. I knew what I was saying. Don't you see it?
Now I do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for the idea. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. So all we need now is to figure out how we're going to design the app and all that.
Do you know someone?
I know someone. He's my guy. He's a tech guy. He will do all that. He will handle the designing. He will handle the advertisements. That's important.
That
we
is
need to
important.
spread awareness.
But if he does so many things, like he might want share in the company.
No, trust me, he's my guy. Me.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I know him very well. Like, he won't do that.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. I would hug you, but I don't know if I'm allowed to. Should we
go.
high five? At least we need to do something. I need to wine. It's true that I hit my hand. I just put it there. You hit his. You need to be careful with your power. You don't know your power and your brain. You have a
I'm
big
happy
brain.
you're in a good mood now.
I'm in a great mood. We can do this. That's like
So let's
most of the like three at least. These three is people that
So
will-
Kenny's
they stop.
liquor. Kenny's liquor, right? Remember
What?
that? Kenny's liquor.
What?
Kenny's liquor. Don't you
No,
like
that's not the name. It's Kenny's product. But
Okay.
we'll call the app Kenny's.
Kenny's.
Yeah?
That works.
You're good with the business. You're not good with the creative. I'll handle the creative. Do you get me? You've done your own parts. Thank you. You've shown me the way. I'll not drive that direction. Do you get me? With your beautiful hair. I know it's human hair. Or is it Brazilian? Yo, toast to you, because I wouldn't have been able to do this without you, honestly.
Oh, come on. Stop flattering me. You're a dogged, and that's an attribute of someone who wants to succeed.
Yeah, I hear you. You're the one flattering me, okay? Because your sister is my investor. How would that be possible without you?
Faith, Kennedy. Faith made it happen.
You're being sweet and modest and beautiful. You know, typical you.
Oh, gosh. Anyway, how far can the capital grow the business?
About that, Cassie is a genius, okay?
Pause. Let's call her Cassandra whenever
Yeah.
you're talking about her.
No, sure. I mean, Cassandra is a genius, okay? We're able to rework the entire business framework to fit the available resources. You know, we don't need $1 billion to start, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, you have to be malleable as a good business person, which she's got a great brain.
That is such a brilliant idea. Like, Cassandra is so smart.
Yeah.
She is quite brilliant. I mean, like, whatever she puts her mind into something, she always makes it work. Now, listen. She's going to make your business grow in leaps and bounds in no time. Mark my words.
Amen. You know, your words, speaking of your words, are so beautiful. It's like music to my ears. Okay? I mean, and your skin, so soft. And your eyes, so inviting. Come here. What was that cartoon they used to listen? I think it's Adam's Family. Are inviting.
Ken. I think that we should take things slow, okay? I don't want us to rush this thing.
We're not rushing it. We're not, okay? All jokes aside, we all need love. Okay, I know it's difficult for you because of your past. I know that, but I love you. I do, honestly, 100%. I'm not lying to you. And I think you do. I think you love me. Let's make it happen. We can't let the past hold us back, okay?
Listen.
I'm listening, babe.
Kennedy, in as much as I want this, I'm just not mentally ready for it, okay?
Listen, I love you. I can't sleep without thinking about you. And when I wake up, you're the first person I'm thinking about. Like, I thought the project was the most important thing in my life, but I think I said that once, but it's really you.
Sorry, I have to take this.
You're like the only person I think about, the most important person in my life, you know? And I'm focused on you, and I won't even let anything distract me.
Sorry, I have to take this. So sorry. Yeah, hello? Yes, this is Diana Akinwale. Oh, yes, I did. Okay. Oh, right. Yes, I can make it tomorrow morning, yes. All right, thank you very much. Okay.
Is everything okay?
No, not exactly. I applied for this client management job and I wasn't shortlisted for it. But they said that another position is available and they will only offer it to me if I can come over tomorrow morning. So,
Okay. So you're going, yeah?
like, I have another choice. Listen, I need a job so badly so I can relieve my mom from all my financial burdens on her. So, yeah.
You know, I believe they're going to give you a good job that will be suitable for you, that you would like, you know? Because you deserve it, honestly, because you change other people's lives. Your life needs to be changed as well.
Hopefully.
Yes, it will. I believe so. We were talking about something before the call.
Kennedy.
Sir, so that is the additional 10 cartons I've just dropped off.
Okay. And then I will make payment for the previous ones you guys supplied. Huh?
Yeah, that would be
Yes.
very much appreciated, sir.
One more thing. Huh? I sold over 20 cartons of your product last week. So I would like to be the sole distributor of your product in this area. You understand what I mean?
Sir, other stores are doing just fine. So if you want us to consider your proposal, you have to give us a better reason than that.
Okay, I'll pay in advance then.
Okay? But the minimum order has to be 50 cartons.
Oh, I'm okay with that. In fact, how about you supply me 100 cartons in 2 weeks?
100.
But delivered in 2 weeks.
Sir,
Sorry,
that would
it's a deal?
actually,
It's a deal.
Deal then, deal it.
Yes.
It's a deal.
I like it, yeah.
Yeah. So when do you intend to make payments?
50% now, 50% after delivery.
Sir, 70% now and 30% when we deliver. And we have a deal. So you get your product in 2 weeks.
Okay. Remember, I want to be the sole distributor of your product in this area.
Yes.
And then you deliver in 2 weeks.
That's no.
Perfect. Perfect, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, Isa, let's go.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Have a great day. Bye.
Kennedy.
2 weeks, 400 cartons. It's not possible.
Kennedy, I
No,
know.
there's like that's too. There's a difference between being ambitious and that's like it's not even.
Kennedy,
it's not possible.
it's just 1,200
It's not just. I'm the one.
bottles.
You know, and I'm the one that's going to create every single one of those
Trust me,
bottles.
We will deliver. We will deliver.
How?
Kennedy, it's time you show me how to manufacture your products. I handle the business and marketing, but now, if you want to make up the order, we have to. You have to teach me the ropes.
Yeah, the business and marketing is a start. Okay.
So Kennedy, I teach you the business part of it, and you teach me the manufacturing. We'll make the
It's
order.
not possible.
Don't
Can't do
worry.
100 in 2 weeks.
Trust me, Kennedy.
How?
I know what I'm saying.
I'm the one that's doing. How can
Just teach me
You
how to
should
make
trust
your
me
product.
that we can't do 100 in
Teach
2
me-
weeks.
Teach me how to make your product, and that's it.
Okay. Yeah, that's a
Let's
solution.
go. Let's go.
Yeah, we're just collecting money for something we can't even do.
Hey, Cassandra.
Hey.
What's good? What's going on?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Good.
Great. Kennedy says that you guys have found someone who wants to be the sole distributor of your product.
Yes, lucky us, but the offer is stressing us out. We've had to walk around the clock to meet the client's demands. Because we don't want him second guessing us.
Wow. I noticed you guys have been very, very busy. And that's why I've not been able to see Ken since I came back.
Oh, yeah, but we'll be done in 2 days. So you can make plans and go see him, spend some quality time together.
I don't know about that, for real. I don't know about that. But my organization expects a lot from me, and I also need to prove to them that I am up to the task. And also, in a few days' time, I'll be gone again for another 3 months to complete my staff training course. So clearly, this does not seem like something that is going to work. And Kennedy is not my man yet. So I just, I want to take things slow and see what fate has in store for us.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you hungry? That's
Okay,
good.
I'll just go get something. Where's Mom?
I think she's...
Alright. Oh my god, is it heavy?
It's not heavy.
It's so cute that you insisted on carrying one.
This is the last batch.
Don't worry about it, I can make more.
We did it.
Okay, so it's all, no? Wait, oh, yeah. It's all here. The majestic Kennys.
All 1,200 of them.
Soon to be #1 in Africa.
I swear, I can't
Thanks to
wait.
you. Couldn't have done it without you.
Aww.
Honestly.
We just had to believe and put our mind to it. And look at.
I was pessimistic, you were optimistic. That's the difference. It takes belief, you're right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Closer to my goal.
Yeah. And Kennedy, you are very hardworking.
I mean,
You know that, right?
you too, of course. You're smart. You work smart.
Welcome, Ma.
Hi, Mom. I thought you were coming back tomorrow.
The last time I checked, this is my house. So I shouldn't be making a special announcement before returning to my own house.
I got it. I'm Naija one of Africa.
Bye, Kennedy. Bye, Ma.
Whoa. I just completed an order, a very important order, This
What part of I do not want to see you together with that girl ever again, don't you understand?
Mom, I don't know if you've listened to anything I've said. Okay, this is reality because of her. She's my investor. She gave me the money to finance my business, so I don't understand why you're so mean to her. Of course I have to see her.
Why?
Because she helped me do this. She gave me the money.
Why, son? Why did you allow desperation make you cut a deal with the devil?
She's
Why?
not the devil. Don't call her that. That's not fair. Okay, that's someone's daughter. And that someone is your friend, like your best friend, right? You can't call your best friend's daughter the devil.
That girl is not someone you should be doing business with.
She's...
why her? Why not her younger sister, Diane?
This is not about anybody. Come on. This is not about Diane. Okay, this is about you not liking Cassie. Okay, I don't know why you don't like her. She's been nothing but amazing to me. Okay, she helped me. She cares about my dreams, She helps me think of ideas that I can't think of. She's like the other part of my brain.
Well, I never stuttered in my words. I forbid you to have anything to do with her. Fine. Thank God for the money she invested. I'll look for a way to raise the money and refund her so that both of you can stay away from each other as it should be.
Mom, Omalisha one of Africa just came back home. Shouldn't be angry. Eh? Then let me carry this one too. I'll carry both of them. Eh? Let me go put AC in your room.
No, Mercy. You're getting it all wrong. Look, I don't have any problem with your family. I don't. Trust me. As a matter of fact, I would have been glad if it was Diane.
Honestly, I never knew Kennedy and Cassandra were working together. I never knew at all.
Well, I've already told Kennedy to stay away from her. I'll look for the money she has spent so far and refund her. I don't want to see both of them together again. I don't.
I'm just short of words. I really don't know what to say at this point.
Tell your daughter to stay away from my son. It is as simple as that.
Thank heavens I found you.
Daddy, how did you find me?
It doesn't matter. What matters is that I found you and we need to talk. Okay, you haven't been taking my calls and I think I know why, and that's why we need to talk. Okay?
Yes, we need to talk, Kennedy. You have to contact your lawyer because I'm cancelling our contract.
Are you serious?
As serious as a heart attack. I have no problems with you, but I can't be constantly reminded of how much of a terrible person I am.
Listen, I know how my mom reacted to you the other day was probably made you feel really bad.
Kennedy, that was nothing compared to how she spoke about me today. Look, you're a good person, right? I have no problems with you. And I don't blame your mom for feeling the way she does about me. My mom feels the same way, if not worse. Their perception about me won't change anytime soon.
I said we need to talk. You wouldn't even let me talk already. See, working with you, I got to know the new you, right? The new Cassie. And she's way different from the old Cassie. And it's the new one that I would love to continue doing business with, being friends with, and getting to know you more, right? Listen, if they're stuck on the old you, that's their loss. So you can't let that affect you.
Look, Kennedy, I want to move on from this. And I can't if they keep on reminding me about my past, the old Cassie. I'm not that anymore. So no. Our business is done.
Okay.
Our business is done.
No, it's not an issue. I'm just saying, you can't let other people's perceptions mold you. You're giving them the power, literally. Do you get me? That's for you. I'm not saying it for the business. That's for you.
You're making a mistake, Kennedy. You're making a mistake.
You don't see things from my angle. You don't see from my perspective. I'm not making a mistake and I'm trying to explain it to you.
That is because that your angle is very wrong.
How would you... Mom, please, be good. Let's not do this now.
Do you even know how she got the money she invested in your business?
I know how she got it now. She told me she took it from her mom. Yes, I know. We are honest with each other. Okay?
Really?
Yes, we're 100%
Really?
open. Yes.
She confessed to you. You see what I'm saying? That girl is so shameless. She's a thief and she does not deserve you. She's not good for you. She stole my money. Not just my money. The money that was meant for the payment of my goods.
Yeah, those goods were never going to come. Okay? And not to sound like that, but you said it yourself, the suppliers are fraudsters. They defrauded like hundreds of people. Reapers everywhere. It's a wahala situation, mom. Okay? The fact that the money somehow found its way back to me, it's fate, it's God. That's how it was meant to be. It's written in the stars.
Okay. I agree. It was some sort of miracle. But must you do business with her?
I have to do business with her. Okay? It's karma wouldn't forgive me if I don't. Like, I'm doing good now, and that's me being modest, and it's because of her. She helped me kickstart this whole thing. Okay? So, like, come on.
Kennedy, I'm not feeling bad about this whole thing. This girl is coming between us and I'm not liking it.
Nobody. Nobody can come between us. It's not good. It's impossible. I'm inside you, you're inside me. Blood-wise. Do you understand? So...
Is that why you want to ruin the name of this family?
Mom, I'm not ruining it. Mom, I have to walk my own path. Okay? If it's a mistake, let me make it. I'll sleep better if it's my own mistake instead of somebody else's mistake. Do you get me? I love you. That's what... Mom, that's what men do, you know. Okay? I love you so much. I need to go somewhere.
Are you walking out on me?
I can't... No. Okay, let's talk. What do you want to talk about? Your hair, the way you tie the thing, always impeccable.
Okay.
Yes.
What am I looking at?
Our office, as you can see.
No way!
Yeah.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
It's so beautiful!
Yeah.
Kennedy!
Almost as beautiful as you are.
Stop.
Why would I stop? I'm being honest. You know?
With all my imperfections.
I love your imperfections. That's what makes it spicy, you know? If not, life would be bland.
Kennedy, what do you want from me?
I love you.
I love you too.
I have an office and it's official.
Yes. And it's product.
And it's official, right?
It's official.
High five.
So where's my own place? Where am I going to sit?
Yo, what?
Where's my own place? Like, where would I be sitting?
That's going to be your place.
Look, Kennedy. It took a lot of convincing and intervention for me to accept you having it to do anything with her in terms of business. Now you're talking about marrying her. Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind, Mom. Okay, she makes me happy. She brings me inner peace. That's all I care about is how she makes me feel.
Listen, if nothing is going to stop you from making a mockery of yourself, please, Kennedy, don't make a mockery of this reputable family.
How is me marrying Cassie making a mockery of this family?
I will tell you how.
It's a rhetorical question. It doesn't need an answer. Okay, I'm not asking it. Mom, listen, please. She makes me happy. And I love her. And she loves me. And that's all I need. Okay, someone that makes me happy. That's someone I can spend the rest of my life with. Not somebody that's,
Kennedy, you are young.
I'm not that young.
Handsome.
Tough.
Smart. Hardworking. You can pick any lady. I mean, any lady at all. Not this one with some ugly past. She's a common criminal.
No, listen, Mom, please. The key word of what you just said is past. We all have one. Okay? She's my present and my future. Please, just accept it. She makes me happy. This is the one I can spend my life with.
People are talking.
Let them talk. I don't care what they're talking. It's you. I don't care what people are saying now. Let them talk. That's what they're there for, is to talk. Like, they won't mind their own business. They're talking. That's cool. And the sooner we realize that that's what they do, Mom, we'll be happier. We won't change. Like, we cannot change for other people. They're not in our shoes. They don't know where it's pinching us. And the sooner we realize that, the happier we're all going to be, honestly. Like, I can't change my life because of what somebody is saying.
Do you even know how many men? Do you know how many men that girl have been with? Do you know?
Mom, I stopped counting how many ladies I was being intimate with in my first year in uni. And you don't want to know the number. Okay, so it's a double standard.
You are a man.
Yeah, that's the double standard I'm talking about. Right? So a man gets to do it, but a woman doesn't get to
You are a man, an African man for that matter.
D, can we talk? Please. Please. Dee, you have every right to be mad at me. Trust me, you do. But I didn't do this to disrespect you or hurt you.
But you knew that I was in love with him.
You told me that you couldn't balance work and emotions. You said so in this very room that being in a relationship with him would be too much of a distraction. You said so.
So is that why you fell in love with him?
Diana, you can't help who you love. Kennedy changed my life for good. He made me a better person.
That is true. But Cassandra, let me ask you. Do you love him so much that you want to marry him?
I love him with every breath in me. He's such a wonderful person with a beautiful soul. I think that's what made it so easy for me to fall in love with him.
You know, he called me earlier and we spoke about this. Cassandra, please. I just hope that you don't mess this up. I wish you guys the very best.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, Derek. I love it. I picked it up not too long ago from the receptionist. I love it. It's beautiful. Thank you. I love you too. Oh, I look forward to it. All right. Bye. Okay, start with Derek.
Hey.
Hey.
Here.
What is this?
I know what it is. It's an offer letter.
Oh my goodness. Cassandra, you know I don't want to work for you guys.
You won't be working for us. You'll be working with us.
Gosh.
Moreover, you were a part of this from the beginning.
You know what? Thanks, but no thanks. Look, I'm not a fan of any of... Sorry, hold on.
Hey, babe. Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, I'm at my sister's place. Oh, okay. Just take it one step at a time, okay? All right. All right. Talk to you later. Love you. Okay, bye.
Love you. Dee, who's the guy?
Okay, well, his name is Derek.
Derek. When are we meeting Derek?
Stop. Well, to be honest, I really don't know, okay? But I just need to be sure, before.
Sure. You sounded really serious with him on the phone.
Well, I am. It's just that I'm not taking any chances. I need to be sure beyond any doubt that he is the one before I let him meet any member of my family.
Classic case of once bitten, twice shy.
You know it.
Well, whenever you are sure that Derek is the one, just know that Mom and I will be solidly behind you.
Aw, thank you. I know you always got my back.
Of course, you're a kid, sis. So back to business.
Oh my gosh.
Here.
No!
Yeah. Okay, I will post it in the WhatsApp group as soon as possible. Sure. Yeah, I'll stay in touch. All right.
What's up?
No, nothing. We had a minor setback with our alma mater reunion. Yeah, it's a venue thing and we've got another venue.
Oh, great.
I mean, you're going to love it. You get to meet all my childhood friends there.
Babe, about that, I don't think I will be attending.
Are you joking with me or what?
Listen, my sister's wedding anniversary is on the same day.
And why am I just hearing about it?
Because they only made the decision to celebrate last night and I have to attend it. It's a family event.
Oh, family event. I see. That means I don't get to attend.
Come on, I'm sorry. You know where I stand on this.
I mean, when are you going to stop punishing me for someone else's foolishness? I had my own fair share of bad relationships, but I'm not taking them out on you.
Don't you think I know that?
Or maybe you don't. That's fine. Make your family event and I'll go and enjoy the company of my childhood friends.
Sorry.
All right. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for pulling up when we invited. We'd like a few seconds of your attention.
Thank you.
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful evening to you all. It is with immense pleasure that my husband and I welcome you to our beautiful home. You know, the popular heavyweight boxing champion, the great Muhammad Ali once said, "What is a man? A man is a heart. For a loving heart is a loving man." And that is what I have experienced for the past 1 year with my amazing husband. He is such a wonderful soul that has looked beyond my flaws and shown me so much compassion, so much love. I wake up every day and I thank God that He's in my life.
Do the same. I do the same. I thank God that I'm in my life. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, babe. I love you.
I also want to say thank you to two very special people in our lives that have made all of this possible. My amazing mother-in-law, Mrs. Blessing Okwe, thank you. And my wonderful, beautiful mommy, Mrs. Akinwale, thank you very much. We are grateful. And to everyone that has come out here, taken out time from their busy schedules to celebrate with us, God bless you. More goodies are coming out, the food, and get ready to party.
High five for the speech.
So, where's the caterer? Let them bring out the food.
So, I am happy to be here too.
Yeah.
Yes, you see, your house is so beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm happy you invited us here for this housewarming. God will bless you.
Amen.
God bless all of us. Thank God we are here.
It's so beautiful.
I know, right? I can't believe it. It's so beautiful.
Oh my God. So now you've confirmed in your heart that he's the one?
There is no doubt about it, girl.
So Dee, when are we meeting him?
Oh, well, I plan on inviting him for Mommy's 60th birthday so that he can meet the entire family then.
Mom's 60th? Smart move. But that's 2 months away. Isn't that too far?
Well, he's been waiting for so many months, so 2 additional months wouldn't be a big deal. Girl, he'll be all right.
Babe!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. You deserve all the happiness, the very best in the world.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kid sis is getting married.
I know. Thank you so much. I can't believe you, like, right?
Is this for real?
Yeah, it is.
You're pregnant. I mean, it's a good thing. Why the long face?
I am happy. It's just that coming here and now realizing that you're about to travel makes me worried.
No, come on. I mean, it's a short trip, okay? And I'll be back before your mom's birthday. After which, we'll start the wedding plans.
I'm just so used to having you around.
I know, right? Don't worry. It's a short one, and I'll be back, okay? See, it's 2 weeks, not 2 years. All right?
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll be a proud dad, all right? I'll be back before you know it.
Okay.
Just love upon you, okay? Oh, my ride is here.
Makes everything so painful.
Hey, Diana.
Hey.
It's late. Aren't you going to work tomorrow?
My dear, my mind is on red alert right now. I am just not feeling sleepy.
Red alert. Are you in some sort of trouble?
Oh, no. The thing is, I have this presentation I need to do for Monday, but I am having a very hard time starting it.
Okay. Well, today is Thursday. You have tomorrow and the weekend to sort yourself out. Yeah? And you have your big sister here to help you.
Thank you.
About to turn in.
All right, good night.
Okay, good night.
All right. Take care, okay?
Yeah.
What's going Hey, babe. It's been 3 days since you traveled, and still no word from you. I hope you're okay. Could you please try to get back to me as soon as you can? Please. I love you. Derek, this is the 5th voice note I'm leaving for you. Still no word from you. My messages are not delivering. I can't reach you on any of your social media. You're offline. Like, I can't reach you on your phone. Please, what's going on? Please just try as much as possible to get back to me. I'm really worried. Please. I love you.
Diane.
Yes.
Sorry, is your fiance's name Derek Osuji?
Yes.
And he traveled recently
Yes, he did.
to Malaysia?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I've been trying to reach him for days now, even weeks. I've not been able to reach him.
Wow.
Like, is there any news? Like, do you know anything? Like,
Do you know he is involved in drug trafficking?
what? No, listen. No. Derek can never be involved in that. It's probably a mistake or something.
I wish it is, but it's not because I have something to show you. They say a picture says 1,000 words. Yeah, that's his workshops. Well, I said at Malaysia airport. With some kilos of cocaine. I'm sorry.
Hello? Yes, doctor, yeah. Please, are you in the office?
Diana, sincerely, I must be honest with you. Completely. You can't have an abortion. It's very dangerous. Both for you and for the baby. It's I don't know how you look at it, but it's very dangerous. You really need to look at it from a different perspective. You can't have an abortion. Very dangerous. I don't know how you see this, but that's the truth. You can't have an abortion. You really have to take heart.
Why has fate been cruel to me? I have been a good girl all of my life. But the only thing I have to show for it is heartbreak, deceit, and disappointment. Cassandra has been wayward, irresponsible, and inconsiderate. But she's happily married to Kennedy, the man she stole from me. I should be the one called Mrs. Okoye and not my sister, a retired prostitute. I think being bad is the right thing at this point. I won't be the one to be shamed. My baby needs a father, and it must be Kennedy.
Diana, can we just start this meeting? Hopefully Kennedy comes back soon and I'll bring him up to speed.
Please, can we just wait for him to get here first?
This does not look good. You have an idea of what this is about?
Blessing, I really don't. But one thing I notice is she has been acting real weird through the weekend.
Really?
Hey! Hi. Sorry I kept everybody waiting. Hey, what's up? Hey, dude. Mama. Yeah!
That's my son.
Mother-in-law.
You're welcome.
Hey, what's up? So what's going on now?
Now that we're all here, can we just start up the meeting?
First off, I apologize for bringing you out here at such a short notice, but I have an announcement to make, and it is not a good one. I am pregnant. Cassandra, I am pregnant for your husband, Kennedy.
What?
Huh?
Diana, what did you just say?
See that beat, service was nice.
Are you okay?
Cassie, what's up?
This is Diana, this is not Cassandra. Are you
really
okay?
nice right now.
What are you doing?
I didn't even know I was even smoking cigarette today. I drank so much. I was
What's
like,
wrong? What's wrong?
nothing is wrong, baby. Everything is right.
No. You need to go.
Why are you walking backwards? You're moonwalking like Michael Jackson. Stop moonwalking. Moon fronts.
What's wrong with you?
What do you want from me?
You know, I always tell you that it's not good for you to drink all the time, right? No, don't do this, okay?
Let me drink your meat.
No! Stop!
Let me drink your meat.
Come, let me help you.
Baby, come.
Stop! Come
Stop
on.
what?
Come this way, come
I know that kind of stuff. It starts. You
Go.
know what?
Just
Just
go.
Go in front. I
Let me
want to be
help
saying
you.
something. Be going in front now. Why you do like, okay, at least.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
I came to stay with the father of my unborn baby.
What are you talking about? I'm not even sure I'm responsible for the pregnancy. So don't say that I'm the father of your unborn baby. We haven't verified that, okay?
Kennedy, you know there is something called DNA, right? And lucky for you, we can do that before the baby is born.
Yeah, so let's do that before we have this conversation, okay? It's no time. You can go. Thank you.
Diana, you heard my husband. We will have this conversation when the DNA test results are out.
When the test results are out, you will see that I am not lying that he's responsible for my pregnancy. But until then, both of you be ready for my wrath.
You don't just come to my place and threaten me.
You're not sure you're responsible? She sounded very convinced that you're responsible for her pregnancy.
I doubt it, you know? I'm not sure, like, honestly, I'm not certain about it, you know? I really doubt it, honestly.
You doubt? Kennedy, you're not sure you had carnal knowledge of her the night you came home drunk. But she is very sure. She's very sure you had carnal knowledge of her and that resulted in a pregnancy.
Babe, I'm not sure about that, okay? It's not like I, like, was, you know, even when I woke up, I didn't feel like like, because normally when I wake, I will know, but like, is
this an excuse?
No, it's not like, babe, I'm being real, babe, just calm
Kennedy,
down.
are you listening to yourself?
Babe, listen to me, please. Just calm down, okay? Normally, in the morning after I know the feeling, I didn't feel that way.
Oh, really?
No, babe.
Really?
My daughter, why did you allow the devil use you like this? You know you're my favorite daughter and I least expected this from you.
Wait, hold on, Mommy, hold on. So you're saying this is my fault? Like, why is no one blaming the man who practically forced himself on me? I should be charging him for rape.
I'm not saying that, but I just felt you should have been more careful and not allowed that happen.
Please.
Why, Kennedy? Why? If you had this much affection for Diane, why didn't you marry her instead?
I can't confirm that I'm responsible for that pregnancy. I can't. Because I can't even remember it. Honestly, I don't think it happened.
Oh, you're not sure?
I'm not sure. I can't say that I was intimate with her. I can't say that.
Oh, really?
Because I can't remember.
Which means both of you must have been sampling each other.
We haven't done anything, Mom. If it did happen, which I really doubt, then it's that one night that I was really drunk. And when I'm drunk, I normally can't even, it's not like, Mom, I don't think I did it, honestly. Okay? I didn't do it.
You got drunk and having a carnal knowledge with your sister-in-law was the best you could do for yourself.
Mom, I didn't do it. I don't think. Right? Mom, please. I can't say that I'm the one that's responsible for that. And everybody thinks I am. She's saying I am.
Here I am condemning that innocent girl. Condemning Sandra. But she had turned out to be the most wonderful wife any sensible man
and I'm
should
grateful.
hope for.
I'm grateful that God gave me a beautiful, great wife that suits me. And I wouldn't do anything stupid just to jeopardize that.
Look, I would not be happy with you if your actions push her back to her old life. I will not be happy with you. That girl doesn't deserve you. She's a jewel. You better find a way to sort yourself out. I am not taking this thing lightly.
You seem very convinced that it's Kennedy's and not your Derek guys.
Cassandra, I am not having this conversation. The DNA results will be out in 2 days. There's going to be a whole lot to be talked about then.
Diana, you're my kid sister and I love you so much. Please don't let this tear us apart. Please. Why are you so convinced that it's not Derek's?
Because I have not been intimate with him. So can I be excused now?
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you, Mr. Odeme. Thank you. Alright. Yes, as we can all see, the result of the DNA is out and the result is sealed. The envelope is sealed.
Yes, no, it's sealed.
Yes. I actually want to unseal it in front of everyone, so we can all know that it's actually correct. Oh, wow.
Baby, come on, there are other ways we can solve this situation. Yeah, it's not necessary. We need to work on this together. Baby, it's us together. Together, do better or worse.
Kennedy, I've run out of options. I've been looking for a reason to stay, Kennedy, and I can't find any.
There's a reason, baby.
My sister is carrying your baby.
Why did I get myself into this? And if I didn't go out that night to drink, I didn't want to drink that night, honestly. I don't even know. Babe, I'm sorry. No. Babe, I'm so sorry. I apologize. It will never happen again. Baby, I love you. It's me.
Kennedy, I'm not mad
Baby,
at you.
you're not mad? Okay, great. So please.
Disappointed, yes, but I'm not mad.
Baby, let's make this work, please. Please.
I have so much love in my heart, and that's all thanks to you. But this is beyond us now.
No.
It's way
Nothing is beyond love,
us
baby.
now, Kennedy.
Nothing is beyond love. Baby, please, I'm begging you. Okay? Please.
You don't get it. My sister is pregnant for you. Don't you get it? Kennedy, there's no way we can go.
No. Wait, I have babe, look at me. I have a solution. Okay? How we can flush this issue out.
You do?
Yes.
What do you mean flush? Don't you dare, Kennedy. My sister is not having an abortion. Don't you dare. I told you I have no place for hate in my heart, but trust me, I can become vicious if the need arises. I've been there. I've had an abortion. I've done that. And when I say my sister is not having it, she is not having an abortion. Are we clear, Kennedy?
No, I'm just saying because of the circumstances surrounding the situation. This is the best.
Are we clear, Kennedy?
4K. HD. Claire. Babe, don't go now. Please. I'm begging you. No. Babe, wait. Let's sort this out. Okay? It's together forever. Forever. Do better or worse. Baby, please. No. Look at me. Babe, please. Please, I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too, but there's nothing we can do.
Babe, there's always something we can do. We can stay and fight for our love.
I'll have my things sent to you.
No, babe. No. All my things are your things. Will you have them sent for me? Babe,
I have to go.
No, you don't have to. Baby, I love you. I love you. Please don't go. Baby, don't push me away. You're pushing me. Baby, you're pushing me away. Babe.
Don't make this hard, Kennedy. I have to go, please.
Babe.
That took a while. I've been waiting here for about 15 minutes.
What are you doing here?
I live here.
You don't live in my room. Go to your room. You don't belong here.
Kennedy, I may not be your wife.
It's obvious.
But I am carrying your child. So I deserve nothing but respect. So this should be the last time you will talk to me in that manner.
Listen, you're ruining my life. Okay, this situation is ruining my life. Everything is going south. Okay, and I understand you can't do an abortion. It's not even an option. I understand that. But what sense does it make that you're living in my house and my wife, your sister, lives somewhere else? It doesn't make any sense, does it?
I didn't ask her to leave. I mean, this house is big enough for the three of us to live in it.
What are you... As what? Huh? Live in it as what?
Your pregnant sister-in-law? You see, that wasn't so difficult, was it?
Okay.
it's a blank check. Okay? I filled up everything. Okay? All that's remaining is the amounts. You put the amounts. Any amount is going to take you to leave me and my wife alone. So we can pick up the pieces and move on with our lives, okay? Take it. You need a pen?
I'll give you an answer by tomorrow.
Yeah, I understand, but, we can solve it. It's not an issue. Bro, I'll call you back later, okay? No. Cool. Bye.
Here, you have your answer.
You didn't write anything on this.
That is because I cannot be bought, Kennedy. You think this is about money? So because you have money now, you think you can throw money to my face?
You and I both know that's not the case. Okay? I'm trying to save my marriage.
Are you?
I am trying to save my marriage.
You know what I feel about this? I feel that fate is trying to bring us back to where we actually belong.
What are you talking about? Huh? I have no idea what you're talking about.
Kennedy, have you taken some time to just think about how all of this started? We were close. You professed your love to me. You said it yourself that we were meant to be together.
We weren't meant to be. Okay? Why? Because of this. I'm married to your sister.
No, you married her out of pity. You felt obliged to save her and you have done that. End of discussion. We both know that you don't love her.
I do. I do love her.
No, you don't.
Very much.
You don't.
I do.
It is me you love. It's just a matter of time for you to realize it.
No. We're not going to do this, okay? No, it's not happening. Okay? It's not going to happen. Write something on this and leave us alone.
I understand how this whole drama has affected everyone. But I am helpless because I do not want this for myself or anyone. I'm being made an outcast because of what Kennedy did to me. I am the victim here.
So, what do you want me to do? Or what do you want me to say?
Ma, I love Kennedy. You know how close we were before he married Cassandra. I feel like fate has brought us together again. Because this whole thing seems divine. I don't know why I am the only one who sees this.
Diane, do you have any single shame at all? Are you sure you're not insane? Oh, this is what you brought your lousy self to my house to come and utter. You know what? You and Kennedy deserve each other. And please, and let this be the very last time I'll see you anywhere close to my house. Now get out. Get out of my house! Nonsense. Can you imagine? So much disappointment.
Who is it?
everything okay?
Mommy, I'm finished. Like, I'm done. It's over for me.
What are you implying? Did anybody die?
Nobody died, but...
But what? What's the challenge? What?
I'm 3 months pregnant, Mom. 3 months pregnant.
So?
This is a disgrace. This is a big disgrace to this family. It's legendary at this point.
But that's not enough to make you feel that way. No.
I don't understand, Mom. I'm pregnant for my husband. My sister, my kid sister for that matter, is also pregnant for my husband.
So? What's the problem with that? That's not enough for you to feel this way.
I don't understand you, Mom. Your daughters are pregnant for the same man. I'm pregnant for my husband. My sister is pregnant for my husband, and you don't see...
Now I see where you're coming from. But that's not enough for you to feel this way.
I'm getting an abortion.
No, you won't. You remember 3 years ago when you had an abortion? You almost lost your life. If not for the miracle of God intervention.
Mommy, I can't bring an innocent child into this mess. I can't.
So you now want to kill the child and in process kill yourself because of the mess? Oh, what people will say. This person might say this or that and all the mockeries and everything. Because of that? You want to do that? No.
Are you expecting some?
No, I'm not. Yes? Who is that? Oh, blessing.
Merci.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh,
Sandra.
Good day, Mom.
How are you, my dear?
She's fine, but feels she's not.
I don't understand.
She's 3 months pregnant.
This is so much good news!
Absolutely.
My dear, you should be happy.
How?
Knowing how well we all anticipated for this.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
My sister and I are pregnant for your son, Mommy. Yes. How am I supposed to be happy?
Yes, I know. I understand how messy this whole thing is. But you know, there's something you or anyone can do about it. And by the way, she was at my place this morning.
Why?
She came to tell me how my son has refused to be intimate with her.
Oh my God. I don't know when Dan turned into something else. So shameless, and I can't just comprehend. Why? Oh my God. Why did Dan start this? When?
Hey. You know, my son not being intimate with her shows that your husband still loves you. And considering the way he even impregnated her, shows how much of a mistake it is.
I know it's a mistake. I know that
Who is it?
Kennedy.
And why have you not been taking his calls?
What do I have to say to him? What will I say to him?
He said she has not been picking his calls.
I don't have anything to say to him. I know he made a mistake, but this mistake has huge consequences, huge ones.
It's obvious you still love him. And with his baby growing inside of you, a compromise is inevitable.
Hello, Ken. Yeah, she's here. Please, I would like you to come back here immediately. Come here immediately. Yes, we're expecting you. Thank you.
So, is he coming?
Yeah, he's on his way.
All right. We'll wait for him then.
Kennedy, for how long will you continue to lock up your bedroom door?
What's this? Come out of the way. Why are you frustrating me now in my own house? It's my bedroom door now. Why should I open the bedroom door for you? It's mine. Okay? Like you said, it's mine. You don't have any business in my bedroom. You have yours. Okay?
Oh, so it's like that.
It's like that. You don't even have any business in my house, really. So it's really like that.
Kennedy, I am 7 months pregnant with your child. And you did not even deem it fit to be intimate with me. If not for my sake, do it for your unborn child.
I should bang you for my child. That's what you're saying. You're trying to emotionally blackmail me into having sex with you. That's kind of weak, okay? And I'm not going to do it. You have license. Go and cheat. Go to somebody else. Show them your license and cheat. It's okay. I'm okay with it. Don't worry. I won't mind.
Are you listening to yourself?
I'm listening to myself.
I am pregnant with your child, Ken.
Hey, I've done my part now. Go to your rabbi. You want gigolo? I don't know any gigolo. If you can't find yourself, go call one of your older friends or... In fact, the country is hard. Do you understand? It's a very hard country. Offer somebody money. They'll do it. No person for Facebook. They need money. Offer them money. They will handle your situation because your situation is hard. I can tell. Okay? I already made my mistake. I'm not doing it again. Excuse me. Let me go.
Wait, Ken, you're calling me this a mistake?
Listen. You called yourself a mistake. Do you understand? You're like last born. I didn't plan for it to happen. It happened. Do you understand? But I'm seeing it as glass half full. You're seeing it as glass half empty. Mistake. Be pessimistic. I'm optimistic. Do you understand? Okay? So do you. Let me do me. Well, you give somebody a chance. Come here, I'll be blocking you in your own house. Nonsense.
So you did not smoke with the drugs?
No. D, if I did, you think I'll be here talking to you? It's Malaysia we're talking about.
Derek, this whole thing is crazy. I'm finding it difficult understanding any of this. It's been over 5 months.
I was in a Malaysian prison for 2 months. My office here contacted my partner in Malaysia. Coincidentally, he has connections in the Ministry of Justice. So a full-scale investigation began. They extracted the CCTV footage from the airport and realized that the culprit is a Malaysian man who was returning from Nigeria.
Okay, so how did they rope you into all of this mess?
He pretended to be a physically challenged person and needed assistance at the airport. I volunteered. That was how he got the opportunity to sneak the cocaine into my bag.
Goodness. That guy is a bastard.
Oh, he's worse. And he's getting what he deserves.
Which is?
Death penalty.
My God.
Okay, so what happened? I mean, since I got back, I've been looking for you. Everywhere. I've searched for you everywhere. I went to your office. I was told that your boss committed some financial crimes. The government seized all of his assets. And then I said, hey, social media, I'll find her there. Then you were nowhere to be found. You closed all your social media accounts. And worse still, you changed your phone numbers. Diana, tell me, what's going on?
Derek, a lot has happened since you left. And I must say that they have not been good things.
I understand. Okay? And I'm here now. I'll make everything all right. All right? Hey, and I see my baby is growing in this tummy of yours.
About that, Diana, what have you done? How did you let things get this bad? Everything you did to this point has brought you nothing but pain. And now the rain of your shame is about to fall hard on you. Hello, Mom. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Please, can you come over to the house? Please, just try and come over to the house. And please, can you not come alone? Could you come with Cassandra, Kennedy, and his mom? Okay. Please, you guys, just try to make it here as soon as you can, please. Okay, all right. Later. Okay.
Diana! Diana!
Diane! Diane! Oh my God. Diane, you promised me. We are all here. You promised me you won't do anything nasty. Where is she? Where's Diane?
Come and sit.
Oh.
Come and sit.
Oh my God. What do we do?
Come and sit because of your condition. I told you nothing will happen to your sister.
Where's my daughter? Where is she?
Sit down before you hurt yourself. You know what?
My daughter.
Let me go and
My daughter.
let me go and look for Fabian. I'm sure you'll have some answers for us. I'm coming.
Kennedy!
Hello.
Are you looking for someone?
Yeah, I'm here to see Diana. My name is Derek. She asked me to come.
You say your name is Derek, and Diana asked you to come.
Yes. I mean, she sent me this address and she told me she wants me here as soon as possible.
She's not upstairs.
She's not upstairs.
No.
I'm scared. Diane!
Let's go
Where is
Fabian.
she?
Fabian will know something. We'll have answers.
Oh my God, where's my daughter?
Hi, I'm Derek. Diana asked me to come.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, I think Diana has left a note for us. To all that is concerned,
I want to tell you all that I am alive. I want to apologize to everyone for the new person I have become. I am not going to blame the devil for any of this, as he has nothing to do with it. This is all on me. I need to tell the truth. Kennedy never had any carnal knowledge of me. He was too drunk that night that he slept off. Yes, I did strip him off to his boxers because he had messed up everything he had on him. But that was all to it. Nothing happened between us that night, or any other time for that matter. So there is no way he could have been the father of my unborn baby. Yes, the DNA, the result was doctored because I had something on the doctor. That is Dr. Shidrak. So he was left with one choice. My choice. The father of my unborn child is Derek. Yes, Cassandra. The same Derek I told you about. Your first wedding anniversary made me grow some resentment towards you. My reason? You did not acknowledge my contribution to your getting married to Kennedy and how that has made you to become the woman that you are now. I am sorry for this selfish sense of entitlement, as this was the catalyst to everything that has happened in the past few months.
I have to go find her. I have to go look for her.
I have to go and look for my daughter. Wait. I have to go look for them.
With your condition?
I have no choice. I have to look for my sister.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Joyce.
Coming.
I know we've done this before, but I'm willing to do it over and over again just to prove my undying love for you. Diana Akinwale, I'd love for you to be my wife, the mother of my children, the one here and the ones to come.
Derek, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry about everything.
Just say yes, okay?
Oh, this is so beautiful. Come here. I miss you so much, Dee.
Hey, bro.
And I have no grudges against you. We are family. Nobody can ever take that away from us. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry about everything. Come here. Oh, my baby sister is getting married.
Come in. Well, now that all of this is over, take me to my baby girl.
Yes, where's our princess?
Yes, the baby.
How did you know the baby is a girl?
How did we find you? That's the question.
Ask her. Ask her.
Oh
Come on, lead the way.
This way.
Yes.
God.
I've not seen her since she was born, so let's go.